So, in the second trimester, an ultrasound and a quadruple marker screen test is done. Usually, this is done between 15 to 20 weeks of gestation. So, if this test is not normal, then we consider it as a high risk for birth defects. Then we have other tests like triple test. So, this is also a blood test which is done at the second trimester, usually between 15 to 18 weeks of gestation. Here we check for proteins like alpha fetoprotein, human chorionic gonadotropic hormone and unconjugated estriol. ഈ മൂന്ന് ഹോർമോൺസിൻ്റെ ലെവലാണ് ബേസിക്കലി നമ്മൾ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. If this is also not normal, again it suggests some kind of congenital disorders including genetic disorders. ക്വാഡ്രപ്പിൾ ടെസ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞതാണ്, 15 to 20 വീക്സിൻ്റെ ഇടയ്ക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്. ഹിയർ വി ചെക്ക് ഫോർ ആൽഫ ഫീറ്റോപ്രോട്ടീൻ, ഹ്യൂമൻ കോറിയോണിക് ഗൊനാഡോട്രോപ്പിംഗ്, എസ്ട്രിയോൾ ആൻഡ് ഇൻഹിബിൻ എ. ഈ 4 ഹോർമോൺസാണ് നമ്മൾ നോക്കുക. ട്രിപ്പിൾ ടെസ്റ്റ് ആവുമ്പോൾ AFB, HCG, എസ്ട്രിയോൾ ഇത് 3 മാത്രമേ നോക്കുകയുള്ളൂ. ക്വാഡ്രപ്പിൾ ആവുമ്പോൾ AFB, HCG, എസ്ട്രിയോൾ ആൻഡ് ഇൻഹിബിൻ എ. That was about the prenatal diagnosis. Coming to the test at birth. At birth, the baby can be diagnosed with the Down syndrome as the baby is born with specific physical features. So you have to do a detailed physical examination. Also, a karyotyping is done in order to have a confirmatory diagnosis of Down syndrome and in order to identify the type of Down syndrome. Coming to the treatment. So basically the treatment consists of special education and therapies. Special education എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഇവർക്ക് സ്പെഷ്യൽ സ്കൂൾസ് ഉണ്ട് in order to boost up their growth and ഡെവലപ്മെൻറ്റൽ സ്കിൽസും അവർക്കുള്ള കേപ്പബിലിറ്റീസും ഒക്കെ ഏറ്റവും നന്നായിട്ട് ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് സ്പെഷ്യൽ സ്കൂൾസിൽ വിടുന്നതാണ് ഇവരുടെ ട്രീറ്റ്മെൻറ്റിൻ്റെ ഏറ്റവും നല്ല ഭാഗം. So here the child learns to develop various skills like sensory skills, social skills, self-help skills, motor skills, language and cognitive abilities. Usually a child with Down syndrome meet all the age related milestones. പക്ഷേ ബാക്കിയുള്ള കുട്ടികളെ അപേക്ഷിച്ച് നോക്കുമ്പോൾ they develop these milestones slowly only, and that's why school plays an important role in their life because it helps in developing all those developmental milestones. There are various special schools available for Down syndrome children in our community, which can be public as well as private schools. Schooling also helps in allowing socialization as well as to develop important life skills. ഒരു കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റിയിൽ ജീവിക്കാനായിട്ടുള്ള ലൈഫ് സ്കിൽസ് ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ടും സോഷ്യലൈസ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ടും ഡൗൺ സിൻഡ്രോം കുട്ടികളെ ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു കാര്യമാണ് ഈ സ്പെഷ്യൽ സ്കൂൾസ്. So that was about the first condition. Coming to the second condition, which was Turner syndrome. So Turner syndrome is a genetic condition which is caused by an abnormality on the sex chromosome. So it is known as monosomy X or gonadal dysgenesis or Bonneville-Ulrich syndrome. ഈ 3 വേറെ പേരുകളും കൂടെ ടേർണർ സിൻഡ്രോമിനുണ്ട്. മോണോസോമി എക്സ്, ഗൊണാഡൽ ഡിസ്ജെനസിസ്, Bonneville-Ulrich syndrome. So monosomy X linked ക്രോമസോമുമായിട്ട് അസോസിയേറ്റഡ് ആവുന്ന ഒരു ജനറ്റിക് കണ്ടീഷൻ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ this develops only in female sex or the disease affects only baby girls. Turner syndrome usually occurs when one of the X chromosome is missing, and this condition usually affects 1 in all 2000 female babies. Babies who are having Turner syndrome, they can lead a normal life, but they may have some problems for which they need consistent ongoing medical supervision in order to treat the complications which are associated with this particular condition. There is no way in order to prevent Turner syndrome. The cause is usually unknown. Exactly the cause of Turner syndrome is not known yet, and that is why it is unable to prevent Turner syndrome from occurring. Coming to the symptoms, females who are having Turner syndrome are presented with symptoms like swollen hands and feet, usually in infants, short stature, the palate is located a little bit high, they have low set ears, usually they are presented with obesity, droopy eyelids and flat feet. The medical conditions which are associated with Turner syndrome are: there can be heart defects, infertility, there can be problems with sexual development, hearing loss, high blood pressure, dry eyes, frequent ear infections and scoliosis. So all the symptoms usually appears early in infancy. In case of sexual development and fertility issues, they develop later during the adolescent period. So whenever there are only one or two features from this clinical features, it doesn't mean that the baby is having Turner syndrome. So it is very important to get an appropriate diagnosis. So in order to diagnose Turner syndrome, it can be done through a prenatal screening. The condition is confirmed by karyotyping. So when combined with prenatal screening and karyotyping, you can know whether the child is having any genetic abnormalities, especially with the mother's chromosome. It is also very important to do other associated diagnostic tests like blood test in order to check the sex hormone levels, echocardiogram in order to rule out any heart defects in the child, pelvic examination to rule out scoliosis, pelvic and kidney ultrasound in order to rule out any complications, and an MRI of the chest. So these are the other investigations which is to be carried out in a child with Turner syndrome. Coming to the treatment, these children can lead a healthy life like normal children, but you need consistent medical treatment. Since this is a genetic condition, there is no cure for this particular condition. The only way is to improve the quality of life. So in order to improve the sexual development and sexual function, you can administer various hormones. Likewise, in order to achieve the normal growth hormone injections may be given in order to keep the child growing taller. So as we said, hormone therapy is administered in order to develop the sexual characteristics like breast and pubic hair. In case of infertility, you can go for IVF or you can adopt donor eggs to get pregnant, and emotional support is to be given by the family members and the partners in order to bring up this children. The complications, as we said earlier, kidney abnormalities are common. The other complications include recurrent urinary tract infections,